Keanu C. Thompson.
Choppy, choppy, crunch. Crunch, bing, bing. And we're back. I have a knife. But hello, 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 hello. You get out. You. Yay, Courtney. Oh God. Gang, gang, gang. God, I'm good. I exhausted myself. It's like a butthole. Yeah, butter. The rice! Muff dive. I'm literally Ina Garden. What? Jake, thank you so. Oh, you. You want your peppers to act like they just got out of prison. Ooh! Ooh! Julie, we're gonna Julie. Where'd my brand go? Kale is good if you put a bunch of on it. So I'm gonna. So you want it to be like that? You ate paint chips, cilantro. What do you say? Rice is annoying to cook. Me mama did. Ooh ah. Oh my God! Suck my. No. Wait. Homeless people love cabbage, and they taste like dirt.